Stop paying for software. Use these awesome free tools instead. Start saving today.
Windows user, stop using default print screen. Meet ShareX. It handles screenshots, OCR, screen recording, and GIFs. It's the ultimate workflow killer. Tired of manually copying files and worrying about version control? FreeFileSync is your best friend and syncs them in seconds. No cloud middleman, no file size limit. It's perfect for backups and keeping data consistent. Ever wished your phone and PC were one? KDE Connect makes that feel like magic. Reply to text from your PC and share files instantly. It works perfectly on Android and iOS. Let's clean up that drive. Czkawka. I know, the name is hard to pronounce, but it does wonders. It scans your hard drive for duplicates using content hashing. It finds broken symlinks and large empty folders, helping you recover gigabytes of storage in. Finally, the king of upscaling, Upscayl. Have an old blurry photo from 7? This AI tool uses your local GPU to upscale it to 4K. No cloud, no credit system, and no watermarks. It's complete.